The year is 1968, and Seiko just released a watch that looked a lot like this. But this isn't a watch from 1968. No, this is a vintage remake. Another one from Seiko. This is the Seiko 5 SRPL05K Heritage Limited Edition. Yep, it's limited to 9,999 pieces worldwide. Honestly, quite a lot for it to be limited, but that just means more people can enjoy it. If you grew up in the 70s and 80s, you probably remember a couple of these knocking about. I really like this release with its Prospex style turtle case and slick stainless steel band. It's very bold and nice and heavy as well. The dial sees good texture in this black dial model, but if you're after a lighter color and a sunburst texture, go for the other model in this release, the SRPL03K. I think I prefer the model with the black dial, as the handset just contrasts really well with that darker dial. Both of these limited editions come with an extra leather band with these speed racer holes in them. I'm not sure exactly what they're called. Tell me in the comments down below. I'm sure there's someone who knows exactly what they're called. The trusty 4R36 movement powers this one, providing a solid 41 hours of power reserve, and a curved hardlex glass tops this one out. Alright, so what do we think? I really like this vintage re-release. It's pretty much a one-to-one of that original Seiko 5 from all the way back in 1968. But let me know, what do you think in the comments down below? Make sure to hit that like button if you like this video, subscribe for more watch content, and I'll catch you in the next one.